Tesla Powerwall 3AC is coming soon to Australia. One of the core advantages of the Powerwall ecosystem is its flexibility. Remote metering, wall mounting, floor mounting, stacked expansion units, multiple Powerwalls and backup options all give installers more ways to design the right system for the right application. The new Powerwall 3AC builds on this flexibility and gives installers another option for retrofit battery projects. It should generally be considered where a site already has an existing AC coupled solar system that's being retained, and there is no requirement to add new DC coupled solar. Unlike the standard Powerwall 3, which includes an integrated solar inverter, Powerwall 3AC has no DC coupled solar provision. It's a dedicated AC battery system with 13.5 kilowatt hours of usable storage and 5 kilowatt of continuous AC output. Now, up to 4 Powerwall 3 AC units with up to 3 Powerwall 3 expansion units can be installed in a single system, similar to the Powerwall 3, giving customers a clear pathway to increase storage capacity over time as their energy needs grow. Now, this can be a major advantage in areas where DNSPs apply strict solar inverter capacity limits, but they may allow capacity for battery inverters only. For example, here where I am in Queensland and other networks across Australia, if a customer already has a 10 kilowatt Grid Connect solar inverter and does not want to remove or replace it, Powerwall 3AC can provide a cleaner pathway to add battery storage without increasing the site's solar inverter capacity. Powerwall 3AC may also simplify some compliance considerations in states where emergency backstop requirements are triggered by new solar systems or replacement solar inverters. Now, requirements will always vary by DNSP, state and approval conditions, so installers should check the relevant connection rules before finalising any design. But the key point to all of this is the Powerwall 3AC gives installers and solar retailers another way to tailor Tesla battery solutions around existing sites, existing solar inverters, and a wide range of retrofit installation types. Now, for homeowners, it means a simpler way to add Tesla battery storage to an existing solar system. For installers and solar retailers, it means more flexibility around designs. Now, pre-orders for Tesla Powerwall 3AC are now open through supply partners, and if you are not a certified installer just yet, now is a better time than ever to get started. Contact supply partners today.